Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE Watch. Here is the unboxing time. Let's open the box and look at what I have bring you today. First of all, you can see a guarantee card of our NAVIFORCE, and we will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's the models you can see today, and this is the menu book. The model is NF9181. Okay, then it's our model, the watch. Okay, first let's have a look at the screen to see more details about this watch. And for the menu book, we can check how many function modes about this model. Here it's very clear to see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 function modes. It's the normal mode, stopwatch mode, alert mode, countdown mode, and dual time display mode. Okay, I will show you now. Yes, we can see all around this dial. We can see there is a small window at 12 o'clock position, and here is the very small window at the 10 between the 11 o'clock. And then here is too small window too. And we can see here around the half upper dial, we can see here is the weekly window. And when we see here it's light up, means SAT, means today is the Saturday. And here is the time display window. And here is the date window. If you want to change different modes, we can press this button, we call button B. Now SP means we are in the stopwatch mode, and AL means we are in the alert mode. T2 is the dual time display mode. And here comes to the normal mode. And TR is the countdown mode. Okay, after you clear each window for every single functions, we can use these 4 buttons to adjust every single mode. And if you want to know how to set every single functions, the next video I will show and teach you how to set them. Okay, and especially this button on the top left side, it's a button for the LED light. So now it's very clear for the background light. Can you see it? Yes, and also you can see that it's around the back shoe. We can see also the small number to be instead of the indices outside. And also the hands and the indices inside have the luminous coating. And if you are in the darkness, you also can use the luminous coating to read the time, and also use this button A, to turn on the LED light. Okay, then now this watch band we use is the stainless steel, and use the polish process. Also, when you receive a new watch, we will always give it with a plastic protection. And this buckle here, you can see our logo. And the buckle here will have a blue protection on it, the plastic. This is a double folding safety buckle. And 2 steps you can open this buckle. First open it and then press the button onto the both sides here. Then open the buckle. Okay, here is this model, and you can find more data or something information on the back case, such as the model name, our logo here, and the product numbers, and the 3 ATM, the waterproof, and other information. Okay, this model we got 5 colors. I will show them all 5 to you later. Okay, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this black one, and then there are 4 rest of the blue and the gold, and this is the brown one, and this is the silver one. The next one I will show you is the blue combined the rose gold color. Look at this case. This case is a little large, and the fitness it's a little thick, and because this is a dual time display, we have 2 movements inside, the digital movement and the analog core movement. So the thickness it is for this case. There are 2 layers for this OLED case. The upper it's the special, and this is the case. And please see the gorgeous blue. This is a very fashion color combined, and this color is the best sales in our official store. To turn this, press this button to turn on the LED light. Okay, do you like this color? It's a very fashion blue. And then is the next color, the golden color. This is a full golden color. The band, the case, the bezel, all the 4 buttons it's silver, and the crown is also the golden color. And you can find a very nice crown here. Get it close to have a look at this case. The golden color, I always said it's a very rich color. Do you think so? And press the button A to turn on the LED light. And okay, this is the band. I will show you. Band, very nice. We have a very fine polish process for this stainless steel band. Okay, I will try it on my wrist. Okay, this is the golden color on my wrist. So the next one next one is the coffee color. Yeah. The coffee color are also use the food color for the case, the backshell, and for the band. A very smooth line. Very smooth and look high quality. Use this button to change to different mode. The LED light. Okay, the next color is the silver color, and also the pure color of black or silver is my favorite. For these three color, I think for men it's maybe better, and the silver or the black one, I think if some women they have the very cool personality and the characteristic, I think these two the woman also can wear this model. It's really very nice. Close look at the band. Yes, the process is very nice. I like this silver one. Okay, there's all 5 colors here. Which color do you like the best? If you want to see more such kind of the unboxing video, please don't remember to subscribe to our account and find more interesting video. This is all for today. See you next time. Bye.